C++ program structure. The C++ language defines several headers which contain information that is either necessary or useful to your program. For this program, the header IOStream is needed. The line using namespace std tells the compiler to use the std namespace. Namespaces are a relatively recent addition to C++. The next line /main is where program execution begins. Is a single line comment available in C++. Single line comments begin with 2/ and stop at the end of this line. The line int main is the main function where program execution begins. The next line cout causes the message, "This is my first C++ program," to be displayed on the screen. The next line return 0 terminates main function and causes it to return the value 0 to the calling process.